Hey there, welcome back to Writers ER, the place where we untangle the tricky parts of writing dissertations and theses for all you masters and PhD students out there. Today, we're diving into something super important, making sure your big project, your dissertation, looks and feels just right according to your department's rules. Trust me, this can be the difference between smooth sailing and a bit of a headache as you wrap up. Let's kick things off by talking about citing your sources. Whether you're using APA, MLA, or something else, keeping things consistent is super important. Imagine spending years on your research only to get tripped up by mixed up citation styles. To dodge this, pick a style guide and stick with it. And hey, using citation software can be a real lifesaver here, making sure each reference is spot on. Next up, let's chat about margins and spacing. They might seem like small fry, but getting them wrong can throw off the whole look of your work. Most times, you're looking at 1-inch margins all around and double spacing, but there are always exceptions like your references or long quotes. Make sure to check what your department expects to avoid any last-minute scrambles. Headings and subheadings are next on our list. They're like signposts that help guide your readers through your research journey. Make sure each level of heading stands out in its own way, keeping things clear and easy to follow. It's all about making your dissertation reader-friendly. And hey, if you found this video helpful, show us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. It helps us reach more students just like you. Now, for the home stretch, submitting your dissertation. Each department has its own set of do's and don'ts, from how to bind your work to what file format to use. These details are easy to overlook but super important. My advice? Get familiar with your department's submission guidelines early on. This is your masterpiece we're talking about, so let's make sure it's presented just right. And we can't forget about the abstract. It's like a mini version of your whole project and the first thing people will read. You want it to be clear and to the point, really showing off what your research is about. Think of it as your project's highlight reel. Wrapping up, making sure your dissertation ticks all the formatting and submission boxes might sound tough, but it's totally doable with a bit of planning and focus. Remember, this is more than just a paper. It's a showcase of all your hard work. Stick to these tips, and you'll be crossing the finish line with flair. Before we part ways, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Writers ER for all the guidance you need on your academic journey. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep making videos that make a difference. Got a minute? Drop a comment below and tell us, what's been the trickiest part of getting your dissertation formatted right? Sharing is caring, and we're all here to help each other out. Here's to your success, and catch you in the next video.